So, hi guys!
Hi,
My name is Peter.
and I'm Lucy.
And today we wanted to show our elementary students one topic that everybody can talk about. And
Everybody.
Yeah, really everybody.
It's a great topic and it's about hobbies.
Yeah, it's about hobbies.
Because everybody has a hobby or hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
So what are your hobbies?
Well, my hobbies, of course, as everybody, music, movies and series. And also one of my biggest hobbies is this over here, this thing. Books,
and
definitely.
reading. Yes, that's amazing.
Yeah. So what about you?
Oh my god. I have a lot of hobbies, of course. I love music.
Mm-hmm.
Movies, a little. Reading, a little. I like yoga. I like skiing. I like snowboarding. I like
Nice.
kickbox. I like to relax on the sofa.
Oh yeah.
Cooking is also good. I like cooking.
Yeah.
And
Eating.
eating, yes, but I like baking more than cooking. That's my big hobby.
Yeah, I prefer cooking, not baking, so
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
yes,
it works out between us. Yeah.
it's perfect. And what about like sports or anything, hobbies, like active hobbies?
Active hobbies, I don't have many. I'm not a very sporty person, but I like swimming, definitely, and I like walking in the nature. So when I can go to the forest and walk for a few hours, that's perfect for me.
How often do you go swimming?
Every week. I try to go every Wednesday, so yeah, once a week. I would like to go twice a week.
That was my next question.
Yeah. And what about you and some sports? How often do you do some sports?
Yes, the same as you. I do kickbox once a week. I would like to do more, but I don't have time. But when I have time, I go for a walk.
Yeah.
It's usually every Saturday morning. I like it. It's nice.
Yeah. So, and do you have any like non-traditional hobbies? Something strange, maybe, or not very normal, you know?
Yeah, I don't feel normal. So I think that everything I do is not normal.
That's true.
But I cannot think of something right now. I don't know.
Yeah.
And what about you?
I wouldn't say I have anything like not normal. Maybe billiards.
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Not many people play it, and I love billiards. I love playing it. I love watching
Yes,
it on
it's
TV.
True. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It is great.
So billiards.
So how often do you play billiards?
Unfortunately, I don't play it very often. I would like to play it from time to time, but right now I don't have the time. But when I was younger, I played every week, at least once, maybe twice a week, when I was in high school.
Okay, so we have a plan. We will play billiards
Yeah.
soon.
Soon.
I don't know when, but soon.
Soon, yeah.
So we have a plan because that's a nice hobby and I want to know how to play it.
Okay, I will teach you.
Okay, great. So that's a plan and that's it.
Yeah, and so as you can see, you can talk about your hobbies very easily, even with some basic English language.
Like always talk about your hobbies with somebody because it's a great topic.
Yeah.
It's easy, it's simple. You don't need to say a lot, but you will speak English. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or check us on Facebook or our website. We have our special conversation, so you know the drill.
Okay.
Okay guys, so
And see you next week.
see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.